The Chinese Engineering and Mining Company, Limited, was established with foreign capital around 1879 to mine coal for the steamships of the Chinese Merchants Steam Navigation Company and the Imperial Chinese Navy. English mining engineer Robert Reginald Burnett, Mice, directed the first shaft at Kaiping near Tangshan, Hebei Province. In 1879, the tram line between the mine and its canal to the Haihe eventually developed into the Imperial Railway of North China and the modern Jinga Railway. The civil engineering partnership Sir John Wolfe Barry and Lt. Colonel Arthur John Barry being appointed joint consulting engineers to the company at the end of the 19th century. The company was formally chartered in 1900 and then reformed in 1912 as a public company listed in London. Together with the Lanchow Mining Company, it formed the Kailan Mining Administration to oversee its coal mines, which were producing about 4.5 million tons annually during the 1920s. The company's activities were completely halted by the victory of the Communists in the Chinese Civil War, and it was finally dissolved in 1984. Its records between 1900 and 1951 are stored at the London Metropolitan Archives. The rest of the company became the Kailuan Group at Tangshan, which is one of the largest coal mining companies in mainland China. See also Kaiping Tramway. References. Further reading. Crush, Peter. 2013. Imperial Railways of North China. Bilingual in English and simplified Chinese. Xinhua Publishing House. Beijing, ISBN 978-7-5166-0564-6. Description online. Link downloaded November 19, 2013. The first few chapters of this book describe in detail the creation of the first coal mine at Tangshan in China, which used imported Western technology. It continues to explain how the first coal mine tramway, owned by the Chinese Engineering and Mining Company, progressively developed into China's first standard gauge railway line serving Beijing, Tianjin, Tangshan, Shanhai, Guan and Shenyang.